Welcome to the channel, and today I'm showing you some of the figures that I've acquired throughout 2024. And the first one is a loose Bianca Belair Funko Pop. I got this from let me think. I want to say a place up in Knoxville. I think this one I acquired from McKay's bookstore. I think I acquired her from yeah, I think I got her from this year from McKay's bookstore. Yeah, that's why I got Bianca. The next one I have Funko Popsies, and I've got both, and they're staying in their packages. And I got this on my birthday in July. Harley Quinn and the Joker. Got both them. The next one that I acquired is the AEW Unraveled Riho toy with the belt, which adds to the value. I got this at flea market. It's got a facsimile autograph that might add to the value. I don't know how much this is going for, but there's that. Now I got this figure last year. And this is Power Attack He-Man from the Netflix series He-Man and the Masters of the Universe. The CGI cartoon, different than Revelation. I got those. And speaking of Masters of the Universe, I got my Moss Man figure that I've been really wanting. This is not the Masterverse version, but I want to say Origins version of him. And as you can see, he comes with a comic book and stuff like that. But I'm not opening these. My most favorite items are the two Harley Quinn and the Joker. Both. She's in her Batman animated series costume, which I think that's cool. And this thing just pops down, and you press the button here. And I'm gonna put that back so they don't break. This one I've had for a couple of years, but the Power Attack He-Man, it did come with a little damage to the packaging, but I've had him for a while. And the Origins Moss Man is one of my favorites. Well, this is a short video. I hope everybody enjoys it. Have a good day.